You only know you love it when you let it go. And you let it go. Let's go round the fucking roundabout, not fucking over it. Like, oh my fucking god! Of course he's in a fucking Audi. Why wouldn't he be in an Audi? It's silly me to speculate that, you know. Well, guys, I'm going to wish everyone a Merry Christmas or a Happy Christmas. No, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. That's it. And hopefully this will be the start to something great. I'm going to try and upload every other day for YouTube. But we'll see. You saw me love the best way you saw me. I can't talk about roundabouts, man. Did you just see that? Man didn't even go around it. He just went through it like it was water. Anyone else like put on a fucking accent when you're like trying to talk to someone or trying to talk to yourself? Oh yeah, I can do that too. Fucking hell. You'd think we're waiting for a fucking sperm whale to be moved off a beach or something, you know? But we're not. We're just waiting for some dickhead in a fucking Range Rover. My feet got wet. Get through fucking... lick my mic there. Or like a little lick now and then, don't we? Well, I do. So here's one for you. Someone said to me like, I can't wait to, you know, get a camera or whatever to start recording videos and stuff. That's cool, man. Like, yeah, definitely. Let's fucking do it, sort of thing. But I mean, me personally, I don't go out my way to record videos. I just ride, because I ride every day, you see. What am I waiting for, man? It's fucking Mercedes. Yeah, I don't go out my way to make videos. I literally, as I ride every single day, it's just me riding every single day. Like, I don't specifically sit on the sofa and go, right, I have to do a video sort of thing. And the only reason I'm kind of like getting back into it is because I've gone through a lot of shit this year. Some self-inflicted, some not so self-inflicted. And I just wanted to kind of get out there again, man. Like, I want to start fresh, you know, start uploading to Instagram more, YouTube more. You know, I've been so much, like, running Facebook groups and everything else, like bike groups. It takes so much time out of your day. And like, I've done it before when I was younger, but I thought I could do it again. Unfortunately, I thought I could. Lost a relationship over it, and here I am now, sort of thing, you know. It's something I'd never do again, I don't think, just because it requires too much time in your day. Why is it still indicating not fucking moving? So yeah, I just want to post for the fuck of posting. Like I said, I don't really have anything to post or talk about. If people have challenges for me to do in that, then I do challenges or a bit of fun. That's all I'm all about, man. It's all a bit of fun. Like, someone said to me the other day, was like, the issue you have with MTtank is what you see on videos and what he says on videos is literally him in a nutshell in real life. And that's it, man. Like, people care too much about what fucking Billy and Dave are gonna say to you. Like, who gives a fuck, man? Like, your life, you live it however the fuck you want to live it. Who gives a fuck what they think, you know? Fuck them. It's not their fucking life, is it? So, take that advice, take it into New Year, and become a better person. And stop listening to all these fucking hypocritical, I was going to say utes, but that makes me sound like a fucking gangster, G. No, it makes me sound like an idiot. Yeah, man, just like, to fucking live life like today's your last fucking day, man. Like, fuck everyone else. And that's literally what I do, man. Like, I don't have time for fucking shit talkers or people just sit there and lecture me about shit. I just fucking fuck. I either fuck around and wind people up. Like, nothing's ever personal. Or, what's the other thing that I do? Oh yeah, just fucking, man, like, I'm just here living my best life right now, like. Oh no, my music stopped.